Guest of the day with Marriott.
How many people do it from 3,000 feet?
So, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I have the credit card and stuff, and I checked in and I got this guest of the day package. It had my little name on there. It said, "Welcome, Tony." I don't know what's in it. Let's check it out. Ooh, my little sister would love this. Funyuns. Womp womp. Crunchy Cheetos, which I actually do like. Ooh, some Jolly Rancher lollipops. I like these too. The watermelon in particular. Some Kit Kat, Reese's, Hershey's, and what? So, this is what you get if you are the guest of the day. Thanks, Marriott, for this little treat after driving for over 8 hours. It's really nice. And cool little thing. So, Marriott, guest of the day, unboxing. Later.